Hey guys, this is Stainless. Today I'm making my first gaming PC. So yeah, I wanted to let you guys come along. And look, Watermark, different editing software, iPhone. So yeah, let's get started. First thing you need is a case. Put your motherboard in. So I got the motherboard right here. And it's a motherboard. It's an AMD motherboard because this is Acer. So how you put it in? I'm out of breath. I ran up here. So yeah, you put it in. Put it in like this. See, fuck you. I moved it forward so you guys. Can see. So now you're thinking, I need the screws to secure it. Fuck screws. Couldn't afford it. I spent so much money on the graphics card of it. It's the best graphics card in town. So let's go ahead and just get some. Son of a bitch. It's fuck nice. So we need to secure it somehow. I guess like this. There we go. Secure it. So now we need to, since most of it's in it, we need to put the RAM in. And I have 4 sticks of RAM. They're all 12 terabytes each. So let's go ahead and stick the RAM in. Shit. Fuck. There we go. Get the fuck in there. Sometimes you have to, give it a little push. It's like one of those. There we go, it's secure. Let's go ahead and just add the other one. We should center this. I gotta look in the camera. There we go, I can see. Okay, so you guys can see it. I don't know, because I'm looking with the... Okay, so let's go. Put this one in. Yeah, why the fuck couldn't you be easy, the first one? Let's go ahead and... Yeah, it's... Fucking... So let's go and put this one in. There we go. Fucking tape. There we go. And just to make sure it's more secure, more duct tape. Let's go and just put it right on top. Okay. So we need to plug these in to the sockets. There we go, plugged in. So now we got piece of shit. What do you even use for? Fucking these cables out of here. Goddamn shit. So I'm just get these two. And plus, I'm good at computers, by the way, so. Fuck. Put the fucking tape on there. There we go. So now we gotta add. Now we gotta add the graphics card. Now I got the good graphics card. It costs like $10,000. So let's go ahead and add that. So what we do is go here. How the fuck do you go in? Fuck you. I believe it goes in right here. This graphics card even... Yeah, it goes in like this. Fuck you. How the fuck does this graphics card go in? There we go. Ah, there we go. Graphics card. You hear that click? So now we gotta make sure. There we go. So, bam, done. Now we're gonna add the most stuff. Now next we're gonna add the power supply. And with the power supply, you have to be very careful with, because like you get shocked and die. So let's go ahead and add the power supply. There we go. And, you know, how do we secure it? With duct tape. So, let's go ahead and just secure it. There we go. Secured. Okay. So now we add the, card. So this is the most sensitive part, the CPU. So you gotta hold it. So let's go into shit. Fuck. Let's go ahead and... Did I add it right? No. There we go. Fuck. Just... Perfect. Okay. Let's go ahead and just... But, to make sure, let's go ahead and hammer it in. So now we add the cooler. This is what keeps the thing cool. Okay. Let's go ahead and just add this. Because this is what keeps it on. And I can't use duct tape. Fucking shit. Maybe the other, it's probably the other one. Yeah, it's the other one. You got it. Fuck, no I didn't. This part is fuck. There we go. Boom. Shit, it didn't go on the other side. Fuck. It won't fucking go in. Put some pressure on it, can't we? Put a little bit of pressure on it. There we go. Added. Now we connect the cables. There we go. Some duct tape for some extra security. There we go. Put that, and that's about it. We got the complete computer finished. So yeah, we did it. So now we put the panel on. What? Now we put the panel on. There we go. So let's go ahead and just lift it up. There we go. There's the computer. I'm back inside of the computer, and we're going to see the first boot up of it. So I'm going to give it a minute, because there's no lock screen or anything. Okay? So it'll just boot right up. About a minute. So yeah, we're about to see what. See if it worked. Hey, we did it. We wait just a second. Wait, what's this? The fuck is this? What is? You think it's just a normal computer? It's fucking Chrome OS.
I'm down if you're down, there's no way.